Every sunrise begins beside your honorable master, believing peace will last forever beneath blooming cherry blossoms. Your master's quiet confidence comforts you. Unaware, unseen eyes already weave a deadly betrayal beyond the castle walls. The audience hall feels strangely silent. Every cautious heartbeat tells you something is terribly wrong today. The decree is spoken without mercy. Your master must commit seppuku before tomorrow's first sunrise. You discover a hidden meeting. We will destroy the samurai. His honor will be gone. These forged documents will seal his fate. The daimyo will never suspect. You hear their cruel plan clearly, revealing your master's innocence hidden beneath dangerous lies. One last scroll escapes the flames, and you know this forgotten evidence could save your master's life. You seize the forgotten evidence, and furious guards finally realize the truth is escaping. Stop that cat! Every leap brought another heartbeat as the relentless guards closed in behind, desperate to see the truth forever. But a fearless leap keeps hope alive with every escape from an impossible rooftop.
One impossible leap leaves every pursuer behind, leading you to an ancient temple where hope still lingers.
The wise monk reads the hidden truth, finally revealing the conspiracy that punished your innocent master.
Every document confirms that your lord was framed, while the corrupt daimyo stole the people's taxes. The loyal warriors finally believe in the truth, choosing justice over fear before your lord's final sunrise.
The desperate race begins, as every lost heartbeat brings your innocent master closer to death. The ceremony has begun. There are only moments to reach your master before honor turns to tragedy forever. Every rooftop becomes your salvation, as precious seconds disappear before your master's final moments arrive. You slip beneath the falling gate, escaping certain death as the ceremony dangerously approaches. Only one final obstacle remains before you can reach your master and uncover the hidden truth. Your final leap stopped the sword, sending the hidden evidence before every witness at the last possible heartbeat. An ancient scroll unfolds before all, and your master's fate ultimately rests on the truth it contains.
This scroll proves the forged seal and the secret tax theft.
The judge reveals every hidden crime. The crowd realizes your master was betrayed.
Kill that beast and destroy all the evidence!
Finally revealed, the corrupt daimyo releases his guards while you chase the truth to its final reckoning. Your fearless pursuit surrounded the corrupt daimyo. Justice prevailed when the corrupt daimyo fell, and your daring leap changed history forever. Your lord's honor has been restored, and every soldier witnesses the bravery of a loyal little guard. The corrupt daimyo faces justice, while your master's restored honor inspires every warrior watching that historic day. Your courage became an eternal legend, reminding future generations that loyalty can change the course of history. Thank you for walking beside us. Until our next adventure, may honor and loyalty guide your path.